Hi everyone, my name is Bart and you are watching PhoneReco channel. Today I have iPad Air with the no power issue from another shop. So let's begin and we will see what's wrong with this board. Yeah, so iPad is working. I need to test it, but the main problem was with the power issue. So now all looks fine. That was a quite straightforward repair, short on VCC main, and great tool for that is SICK Compact Pro camera, thermal camera with macro lens. If you have that camera yet, you can buy a macro lens from PhoneReco, and you will increase the zoom and you'll be able to see even very small components. Okay, thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye.